All right. What's going on? Doc here, and I got it. My boy Alex came through. Brother Alex got it for me, and we're gonna open it right now. Now, some of you already guessed what it is. I don't know why they put it in these long boxes, but we're gonna get it out of the box. So, first things first, let's sliding the other box out of this box. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Drop.
You get your end. You get your end. Because you got the neck. I can already tell. Yeah. There you go. Now, let me back up. Boom. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we'll bring it over to the table. I know it's not in the light, but. Whoa. Is that hang tags? Yep. I think that is. Or packing. Yeah, hang tags. Here. Alrighty. As you can see, comes in a BC Rich gig bag. Which is straight. It's not like the chintzy ones we had back in the day. It's a decent bag. I'll probably, at some point, see if I can find a case for it. Here's the bar and the tools. Okay. Oh yeah, there she is. Let's get her under the light so y'all can see her in her glory. Hand through it.
Whoa, man.
I think she's got a really nice crackle finish on her. I know a lot of people got hit or miss on the crackles. She's got an ebony fretboard. And she does look a lot like the ones that we had in the 80s. That's the main reason why I wanted this. I like how they did the back of the neck satin, so it's more comfortable for playing. Got the old school BC Rich style tuners on it. And just what I was telling you, so it was a mixed batch.
Oh.
Look how low the number is.
Oh.
Number 38 out of
Dude,
2,000. That's crazy.
No, I think you even said like 38.
Dude, I was so psyched.
Happy for you.
So psyched. Thank you, brother Alex.
More than welcome.
At some point I'll do another video showing you how it sounds. I'm going to do a little setup on her. Because, yeah, she definitely needs a setup. It's not easy. These strings are tight, these ones are loose. So it does need a setup.
Oh, yeah, it's pulling on it.
And at some point, these stock pickups are coming out. They will be put in the case. And we will be putting the exact same DiMarzio USAs that are in the USA Custom Shop are going to go in this. No doubt. Possibly at some point, if I ever become rich, this will be replaced with the original Floyd Rose with a brass block. But until then, she is a bitchin' killer 80s axe.
Good.
Yes, sir. Thank you.